Aventador S, 488 Spider, Performante, BMW M4. Quite good cars, a lot of car spotters here. Look, that's a good thing. Nice cars, but this, a Vanderhall Speedster, a Vanderhall Venice Speedster with the DTE Systems tuning. Let's get in and get a drive around this track from Monaco. This is the DTE System pedal box. Let's get it into Super Sport, Sport Plus mode, and then we have the most aggressive mode of driving here around Monaco. Turbo is epic. Whoa. Monaco in the Vanderhall Venice Speedster is quite cool. It's a one-person, single-seater supercar. And this pedal box, now it's off. Now the pedal is much softer. City, Sport, Sport Plus. That's the way I like it. That sound. This is what they call pure driving. We can put it in drive mode. Now it's automatic. Great steering wheel, the Sparco, it's Alcantara.